to draw Bubba Bubbaphant from Smiling Critters, so let's get started to draw this cute elephant haiku.
To draw this cute elephant, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start with the right eye. Draw a big vertical oval, represent the right eye, and the same for the left eye. Then a small oval inside of them for the pupils. Now I'm just going to draw a curve coming down above the eyes. So this is kind of like the eyebrow. And now draw a curved line, represent the upper of the head edge. Then we will start drawing the nose by creating a double curve going down. And in the end of it with the center, we make an oval for the opening of the trunk. Draw a curve going up for upper of the mouth. Then we create another curve going down for the lower part of the mouth. For the tongue, we will draw it to small curves. Now, let's draw a big curve, which representing the lower part of the head. Okay, so then, from there, we can finally draw his big ears in the left side. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curved line that go up, and bring it down with a little bit of a wobble about left. Once again, I will do the same for the right ear. Next, I'm going to draw a light bulb's necklace. So I'm going to draw a curved line and bring it up and down to the center. Then connected in the bottom part of the light bulb, I will draw a little line right here, then draw a little heart-shaped filament. Oh, now that looks pretty. Now for his arms, we're going to draw it right here. And now draw the belly, after that the legs, which it's going to get wider as we go down, so keep that in your mind. Finally, the tail. Here we're going to pop in a little tail, where I will just draw a double-sided curved line, connected with a brush shape at the end of it. Here and then from there we can go ahead and start shading the eyes and the mouth. Meanwhile, help me and give me a like and hit the subscribe button. Last, let's put some colors for our drawing. Hey cute, you did not subscribe yet. Hurry up and subscribe.